Sonance DSP amplifiers feature a 10-band parametric EQ. Adjustments made to the EQ will be reflected in the output frequency response graph above. Please note that making adjustments to the EQ without proper measurement equipment is not recommended. The EQ on-off button toggles each filter on and off. The EQ frequency field adjusts the center frequency of the selected filter. The EQ Q field sets the width of the adjustment range. Lower values dictate a wider bandwidth, while higher values dictate a narrower bandwidth. The EQ gain fields adjust the level of each parametric EQ filter. When adjusting the EQ gain, use extreme caution to prevent damage to the connected speakers. Whenever possible, reduce the output level in order to achieve the target frequency response. Only increase levels when absolutely necessary. If increasing output levels is necessary, use the smallest adjustment possible.